What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to Making the Dean's List on the 11th day of the month. Verse 13 says that a talebearer reveals a secret and a person of true faith conceals a matter. What's that mean? How does it apply to our business? Well, I think there's a lot of office gossip that is hurtful to a team morale, team attitude, team spirit. And I don't know why it is we tend to find companies and teams talk about the bad jobs, the things we've messed up, and those seem to just keep getting repeated throughout the office when all the good things that we do just kind of go by the wind. So let's just make sure as leaders we're encouraging a culture of repeating all the good stuff and kind of concealing. You don't want to put your head in the sand, but you don't want to just keep repeating bad stuff because it becomes a kind of an office politics, office gossip game. All right, hope this helps. Hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, and go ahead and have a good month too.